Hello guys, thank you once again for letting me into your space. Today's visualization is very simple and straightforward, not too technical. So apparently over the weekend I saw Gran Turismo, the movie, the 2023 version. So there was a scene there, I think around the 7th minute, where where the producer showed the Capa racing garage. So I was so in love with the building structure, so I decided to pause, took a snapshot with my phone, and I took it up upon myself to build a 3D version of the building. So, and here we are, look at what we have here. And I decided to add animation to it by putting the cars there. You can see the SUV started moving before the Benz. So I was able to do all these things with the help of the keyframe. So if you like this demonstration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like me to give you an insightful education on how to go about this, send me an email. My email is contact1503@gmail.com, where I can give you some study packs or even educate you on how to go about all this. So as an environmental artist, like I said, being an environmental artist, that kind of business is highly prosperous, and there are so many places where you can find yourself. You can find yourself working for a virtual reality company. You can find yourself working for a film and animation production team, or maybe a company. Or you can even find yourself working with developers, working with game developers, working with programmers and the rest, whereby you make the environmental scene available, and while the programmers decide to program your animation. Or you can decide to be an educator, or even work for an architectural firm, or you work for a real estate firm. Whichever way it is, being an environmental artist in 2023 is a good line of business. So I would advise you guys to check it out. And if you need more lessons on how to go about some of the things I've done in the past, don't forget to send me a message, or better still, send me an email. My email remains contact1503@gmail.com. See you next time.